Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we will write small letters Y and Z. Which letter is this? Small letter Y. Y for yak. How to write Y? Put your pencil on the dot. Come down with a slanting line. Again go up. Come down with a small slanting line. Which letter is this? Small letter Y. Y for yak. Big slanting line, then small slanting line. Y. Y for yak. Big slanting line, then small slanting line. Small letter Y. Y for yak. Big slanting line, then small slanting line. Y. Y for yak. Now tell me, which letter comes after Y? Z. Z for zebra. Z. Put your pencil on the dot and draw small sleeping line. Then come down with small slanting line. Now again draw small sleeping line. Z. Z for zebra. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Z. Small letter Z. Z for zebra. Small letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Z. Z for zebra. Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Now children, you have to do this remaining part in homework. One page, small letter Y, and one page, small letter Z. Okay? So children, what did we learn today? Small letters Y and Z. Have a nice day.